The Polestar 5 has an amazing exterior. Sleek lines and a bold, athletic stance turn heads. The aerodynamic shape seems designed for speed. This design sets a new benchmark in styling within this electric car segment. This car appears to be futuristic yet very elegant, making you feel like you're about to race or conquer the world. Experience thrilling performance with electric power. Amazing acceleration with seamless transitions, quick steering, great braking capabilities and handling are obvious advantages of the Polestar 5. Powerful acceleration, responsive handling, and smooth performance from start to finish. High-end, sophisticated, impressive. These words accurately portray the vehicle's essential features. Its advanced technologies enhance convenience and safety for drivers and passengers. Key safety features, advanced infotainment options, driver assistance technology are top-notch. Sustainability is evident throughout this amazing new vehicle. This all-electric design is a commitment to a green future, which is truly outstanding. Environmentally conscious options. The environmentally conscious design aligns perfectly with sustainable goals. The manufacturer's strong focus on ecological considerations sets a brilliant example for other auto manufacturers. Innovative technology features that make the experience intuitive and user-friendly. Experience innovative technology that enhance driving experience and ensure safe travels for occupants. The Polestar 5 provides innovative features like advanced driver assistance systems. The 2025 Polestar 5 impresses with exceptional design and performance and top-tier technology. With impressive and exciting technologies, a must-have in electric cars, the Polestar 5 embodies cutting-edge automotive design.